Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to merge products on Shopify. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have an official Shopify account, because if you don't have one, you can merge your products with it. So merging products need a Shopify store, and you have to go to shopify.com. You have to go to shopify.com and log into it, like shopify.com, head over to it, then click on the products at the top left corner. After signing it, like, you have to enter your email address. You can start free trial if you don't have a previous account. Also, you can tap on to get started and log into your official account. So now you have to select two products you want to merge, like it can many products that you want to merge. Then you have to click to export to download, then select product data, choose your preferred format, like usually CSV. And now you can edit the product file, like open the file in Excel or Google Sheets to merge them. Give the products the same product title. If needed, rename them and to a new one and merge them. So now you have to save the files and now re-import to Shopify, like upload the modified CSV file to Shopify and choose publish new products to all sales channels and click update and continue. So that's it, you are done. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.